Hey guys, I showed you this pouch on Instagram and on Facebook. It's from the Bath Bushcraft shop. This is their fire kit pouch. Nice bright orange, molly on the back. Has some nice zips on it. And I just want to give you an idea of what you can keep in it. So here you got a mix of fire wicks, Pro Chem Tech stuff, fat rope, all kind of good stuff in there. You got a wax wood stick. You got a wax wool fire starter. That's from a different company or different person. Pro Chem Tech. You got another wax wood stick. You got the fat rope. You got some of that cardboard, I forgot what they call it, fire starter in there. Got a ferro rod. This is the glow in the dark one. And you got a lighter. So it's a good amount of fire. I mean, you got hundreds of fires here, really, just in this pouch. So you got, like I said, mine in the front. Inside, you do have a little pouch there. If you want to put your ferro rod or lighter in there, you can do that. And it's pretty good size on the inside. So there you go. I'll give you a quick look at that. So again, nice handy idea. Throw in your pack. You can easily see it in your pack if you want to grab your fire kit. So just showing you, I did pay for this with my own money, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Just quick review of it. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.